That is the area where the 3 elephants who died on this train track right here were cremated. And so this is apparently on this side of the train track. This is where 1 elephant was found. Then about 50 meters from here, I'm just going to walk. And around 50 meters from here, the baby elephant, who was just like really young and newborn, that baby elephant was found somewhere in this area. And then further 50 meters ahead, you know, there was this adult elephant who was knocked out of this train track and had fallen on to this side. And so this is where we are now actually discussing with the forest ranger who is along with us, and he's the one who has been guiding us through this whole process here, and our team from the Solitary Nature and Animal Protection Foundation, as well as our Nature Mates team. And this is actually the forest ranger who's been guiding us, and this is Kostov, who's been actually leading this whole project. And here we have Devsena, who's from Nature Mates and actually Biomates, and this is Shimu, who's been front and center when it comes to creating the technology itself, and I'm so proud of our team. But this is where we're actually looking to install about 20 to 25 devices, and it's just, again, heartbreaking to see this part where the 3 elephants have been cremated.